Hello students, in this video we will be solving question number 1 from exercise 9.3, which says in the figure E is any point on the median AD of triangle ABC. Show that area of triangle ABE is equal to area of triangle ACE. So over here we have given a triangle ABC and AD is given as the median, wherein triangle ABE, the area of this part over here, okay, needs to be shown equal to the area of this part, this triangle. Okay, so one thing we need to know about medians is that medians are actually divide a triangle. The median of a triangle divides a triangle into equal areas, which means if this is AD is the median of this triangle ABC, that means is dividing this triangle into two equal areas. Okay, that is something that we need to know about medians. So we'll use that property over here in this solving of this problem, and we'll see how we can apply that property of median dividing the triangle. Okay, so let's begin with the solution, and based on what we are given that AD is the median of triangle ABC. Okay, so we'll begin with that. So we put over here proof. Okay, and we put that AD is median of triangle ABC. Okay, as the first thing we wrote down that AD is the median of triangle ABC, and therefore you can take that therefore we can easily say that area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD. Okay, so all I have done is shown that because AD is the median of this entire triangle ABC, that this particular triangle ABD, the area of that is equal to the area of triangle ACD. Okay, that's the property of medians. Okay, also we can say that ED, that is this particular part, is median of triangle EBC. Okay, or BEC or EBC, can take anything you like. Okay, I've taken EBC. So this particular triangle, why we are not given ED is the median of this, but ED is actually a part of AD, right? And if AD it becomes the median and divides this triangle into two equal areas, then ED also should follow the same thing. Okay, and this forms another triangle over here, EBC, and ABC is part of the bigger triangle, that is ABC. So if AD can divide ABC into two equal areas, ED can also divide EBC into equal areas, and so we can say ED, since ED is a median of triangle EBC, we can say therefore area of triangle EBD is equal to area of triangle ECD. Okay, and what we'll do is we'll mark this as 1 and this will mark as 2. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll say 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2. Okay, or in other words we can say subtracting 2 from 1. Okay, subtracting 2 from 1 or 1 minus 2, what do we get? What is 1 actually? Let's look at the left hand side. We have said area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD is ABD, and look at the left side of second equation. It's the area of triangle EBD. EBD is where? EBD. So what we are trying to say is we are trying to subtract this part from this entire part, this big. Okay, so either you can write 1 minus 2, or we can write also subtracting 2 from 1. Okay, everything is all right. When we subtract this part, this particular part, when we subtract means we are trying to take out this piece of this triangle. Which triangle? ABD. It's like saying here is your triangle EBD. Okay, BD is your triangle, and we are trying to take out a piece of that. Imagine this like a slice of cake, and from that slice of cake we are taking another slice of cake. Here you go. Okay, if we take this slice of cake out, or this part of triangle out, what will be left? This area, right? Which is also a triangle. So that is what is left. So left hand side will be left with area of triangle ABE. Okay, and now coming to the right hand side, if we subtract this part from this side, this entire triangle, that is, I'll draw this triangle. Here you go. Okay, you have C over here, you have D over here, and you have A. Okay, this is the big triangle, and then you have a small piece that we would like to take out from there, that is E. So if we take out this small part, because we are looking to subtract this from this entire triangle, we are left with just this part. Okay, so that's what we write over here, a triangle, area of triangle ACE, and that's what we are asked to show. We are asked to show area of triangle AB is equal to area of triangle ACE. All we did was we just subtracted a small part from the bigger triangle, and we got the triangle that we needed. And for both sides we did the same thing, and we got to show those parts as equal to each other, and that's what we got over here. So if you like watching this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.